All right, YouTube, hello. It pays to make videos when you open things and you're not sure. The previous video I will delete because it was viewed by the right people. And yep, went to exchange the other one for this one. Basically, hold on. Sorry about that. So it was just a simple matter. When I was standing up, the guy there was good. I had two options: get the money back and return the part, or get this one. I'm not going to say how this one was obtained, but yeah, it's in a lot better shape. And for the price, you're damn well going to believe I'm going to handle this like a brand new baby just born. So as you can tell, so water flows this way. And that's it. I like to leave it go underneath a bit. This I probably won't ever use. So I'm going to leave it up a bit so it can get pointed. The one I had, my original one, we kept it tied and it was always on an angle. So I don't know if that was part of the problem because the wire was always crimped. Goes right in. I'll deal with the wire later. These were plugs in the ground for the gazebo I was going to buy, but because of this, can't buy the gazebo. Okay, so here we go. One last check. Make sure the wire is taut. Machine is on. Ten PSI. The machine is on. 12, 14. So standard PSI 15, and there we go. Okay, there's two kinds of bubbles. The bubbles you see there are the bubbles for the water going back in one direction. The bubbles you see here, you see it fogging up here. Those are the bubbles that make the chlorine. So the one just at the pipe is from the flow. So that's it. One hassle over with. Thank you, gentlemen and ladies and gentlemen at the place for helping out. One problem solved. 2 others to go.